Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, we have here a property na napakalapit po sa Tagaytay. So ito po siya, located at Barangay Anuling Cerca, Mendez, Cavite, just around 8 to 10 minutes to Tagaytay po, no? So that is the Barangay Road, as you can see here. And yung main highway po going to Mendez Bayan or going to Tagaytay, pwede rin kayo shortcut dyan sa kanan. If dito naman sa kaliwa is Mendez Bayan sa may McDonald's po. Tapos yan na. Yan yung mga may palengke, yung mga Mercury Drug, and so on, munisipyo, etc. And this is the property na magkakaroon po siya ng big concrete roads with drainages, perimeter fences, parks and playground, lands for water and electricity, and no required house design po siya. And as you can see guys, it's undergoing development. And this one you could actually